Hi everyone, it's Stefan Carter here. I'm the founder and CEO of Lotus Capital. It's the middle of June and I'm doing a mid-month update. It was my intention since my last video to actually do more regular updates. So just to talk about Lotus Capital is a crypto launchpad where we treat our launchpad like an accelerator. So we don't just launch projects and forget about them. We help and support them to become successful, and then we have a second product where it's our venture capital fund, and we further invest into them to help them grow further. So our mission is to support projects which have a meaningful impact on society, which is more important than ever, because the projects which are currently crashing the market have had very little value, and that's why when they have weak projects with weak fundamentals, can't survive when things get tough. In my last video I was very optimistic in terms of the potential market outlook, thinking that inflation had peaked for America. However, it seems like it didn't peak, and the inflation has just continued to grow. So in terms of Lotus Capital, I think we just planned for a very challenging remainder of the year, and next year could be challenging as well. But the benefit of our business is that we always have a demand. So like even last night I was very happy to receive an email where somebody was requested to do an IDO. So we've always got a demand for the type of service we're offering, even in challenging market conditions. Obviously we have a problem where maybe our demand is always strong, but we might have a weak supply of liquidity. So it's going to be a challenging few months, or potentially 2 years to come. But we will still keep moving forward and stick to our mission. On LinkedIn I looked for a sales rep, and for Vietnam we received 26 candidates, and I reposted again. I received like 33 candidates for America, which is incredible. I've never looked for a position. Maybe I have had a position in Vietnam where I've received 30 candidates, but rarely. So I was completely blown away by the volume of candidates that we received for a position. And I think like a lot of people, they have more of a curiosity interest, like in applying for the position. They might be interested in crypto, they might be interested in money in crypto, but the reality is Lotus Capital is a company, and if you want to work for Lotus Capital, it's a job. So if it's definitely if you're not motivated to be an employee, Lotus Capital isn't for you, and that is why which is why I just opened up. So if you're aware of a project, maybe your friend has a project, or you have an idea of a project or crypto project you would like to launch, then just apply for an IDO, or just get your friend to apply for an IDO on Lotus Capital, and I will review it. So moving forward, I have decided to look for projects myself, which I think is the best thing possible. I've definitely found a few like Miner, Sun Contract, and Moon Mortgage. These are very interesting projects. I've made connections with some, I've made connections with more. But I think what I previously said, especially in these current market conditions, but more than ever, we might move forward with a project next week, or we might have a project in the end of this year. So I'm very happy with the type of projects I'm discovering, and some connections I've made, and I hope we have the best project. And I think with these market conditions, it matters more than ever to work with a crypto project which really makes an impact on society. So I will do an update in the next 2 weeks at the end of June, and I'll let you know how things have gone.